NASA has announced yet another delay in the return of astronauts Sunita Williams and Wilmore from the International Space Station, ISS, extending their mission to an unexpected 9 months. Originally, the astronauts were scheduled for a short stay on the ISS, only for 8 days, following their launch on June 5th aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft. However, technical issues with the spacecraft, including helium leaks and engine malfunctions, have caused this unexpected delay. As a result, their return to Earth has now been rescheduled for March 2025. The delay is raising concerns about the health risks of long-term space missions. Doctors worry that prolonged stays in space, especially in microgravity, can cause severe health issues, such as bone and muscle mass loss, cardiovascular problems, sleep disturbances, and even vision issues. Despite astronauts exercising for 2 hours every day, the effects of microgravity can't be entirely negated. Dr. John Jackwish, a biomedical engineer, highlighted that the absence of gravity causes the body to lose bone density and muscle mass as it no longer needs to support its weight. In addition, the crew is exposed to radiation and other potential risks, including kidney stones and hormonal changes. While the astronauts are well trained to deal with stress, they are still vulnerable to these physical challenges. Dr. Vinay Gupta, a pulmonologist and Air Force veteran, stressed that there is a major difference between training and real-life exposure to these conditions. Despite these worries, NASA has assured the public that both astronauts are in good health. Their extended mission has also led to them joining a select group of astronauts who have spent over 300 days in space, with only 5 others having achieved this milestone. Their return is now contingent upon the arrival of the Crew 10 mission, which will take astronauts Anne McClain, Nickel Ayers, Japanese astronaut Takuya Onishi, and Russian cosmonaut Kirill Peskov to the ISS. The decision to delay their return was made to allow a handover period during which the current crew can share valuable research insights with the newly arrived astronauts, ensuring continuity in scientific studies and station operations. This extended delay highlights the complexities of long-duration space missions and underscores the need for further advancements in space travel to safeguard astronaut health and mission success.